In this video, we will quickly explain how to use the MASSPROP command in LusoCAD to conveniently access the mass properties of an object, including volume, area, moments of inertia, center of gravity, and so on. Here we have our geometric object, which we want to analyze. First, we have to create a region of the entire object, so input the region command and select the object. Press Enter. We can see in the command line that the region was created. We can even confirm the region was created by opening the Properties window using Ctrl 1 and checking that it's detected as a region. Next, let's input MASSPROP to get our properties. Once the object is selected, a text window appears containing all the information we want. Here, the area and perimeter properties are correct. But we have to be careful with the rest of the properties. Since the object centroid is not 0 and 0 in the x and y axis, these properties will not be correct. To fix this, we can move the object to the correct coordinates. Draw a line from 0, 0 to the centroid of the object, which we already know from the Mass Properties window. Now use the Move command to move the object to the 0, 0 coordinates. Let's check MASSPROP again. We can now see that the object centroid is 0 by 0. And now the inertia properties are accurate. We can also save this text file to our computer, as noted at the bottom of the text window. Typing yes will create a text file for us.